Title: The Clever Turtle. Characters: Toby, the clever turtle; Olivia, a young girl; Finn, a mischievous fox. Setting: a lush, vibrant forest with a peaceful river winding through it. Story: deep in the heart of a vibrant forest lived a turtle named Toby. Toby was no ordinary turtle. He was known throughout the forest for his cleverness and quick thinking. Unlike the other animals who relied on speed or strength, Toby always found a way out of tricky situations using his wit. One sunny afternoon, Toby was slowly making his way to his favorite spot by the river when he overheard a conversation. Olivia, a kind-hearted young girl who often visited the forest, was talking to her friend Finn, a mischievous fox. Finn was known for playing tricks on the other animals, and today he had a new plan in mind. "I bet you can't cross the river without getting wet, Olivia," said Finn with a sly grin. "If you do, I'll give you the shiniest stone I've found." Olivia loved a challenge. But she knew the river was wide and the current strong. She wasn't sure how she could cross it without getting wet. As she pondered over the problem, Toby slowly approached her. "Hello, Olivia," said Toby in his calm, thoughtful voice. "I couldn't help but overhear your conversation. Perhaps I can help you with your challenge." Olivia smiled, knowing that Toby was always full of good ideas. "How can I cross the river without getting wet, Toby?" Toby thought for a moment, his eyes twinkling with mischief. "I have an idea. Follow me." The two made their way to a spot where the river's current was gentler, and the banks were lined with large, flat rocks. Toby explained his plan. "You see, Olivia, you don't need to cross the river by walking through it. Instead, we'll use these flat rocks as stepping stones. They're just above the water's surface, and with careful steps, you can cross without getting wet." Olivia looked at the rocks and nodded. "That's a great idea, Toby." Carefully, she began to step from one rock to the next, following Toby's advice. Finn watched from the other side, his eyes widening as he realized that Toby had outsmarted him. Olivia was nearly across the river without so much as a drop of water on her shoes. When she reached the other side, Finn reluctantly handed over the shiny stone. "You're too clever, Toby," he admitted with a laugh. "I guess I'll have to find a new trick next time." Toby smiled and said, "Remember, Finn, sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. There's no need for tricks when you can use a little bit of clever thinking." Olivia thanked Toby for his help and carefully placed the shiny stone in her pocket. "I'll always remember your clever ideas, Toby," she said. "You've taught me that with a little thought and patience, any challenge can be overcome." And so, Toby the clever turtle became even more admired in the forest. Whether it was helping his friends solve problems or teaching them to think creatively, Toby's wisdom was a treasure that everyone valued. And whenever Olivia visited the forest, she always looked forward to seeing her clever, slow-moving friend by the river, ready with another bright idea. The end.